Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up a Django application to upload files to Amazon S3, a cloud storage service. Amazon S3 is a scalable and reliable solution for storing and serving files in the cloud. We will use the Boto3 library to interact with Amazon S3 in Python. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed and set up: Python and Django installed on your system, an Amazon Web Services (AWS) account with access to Amazon S3. You'll need the AWS Access Key ID and secret access key. The Boto3 library for Python. You can install it using pip. Django project set up and running. Log into your AWS console and create an S3 bucket to store your uploaded files. Note the bucket name as you will need it in the Django configuration. To access your S3 bucket, configure AWS credentials on your development machine. You can do this by either using environment variables, recommended for production, configuring credentials using the AWS CLI. Django-storages is a collection of custom storage backends for Django. It simplifies the process of working with various storage systems, including Amazon S3. Install Django-storages. In your Django project's settings, settings.py, add storages to your installed _apps. Configure the storage backend for your static and media files. Add the following to your settings.py. Replace youraccesskey, yoursecretkey, yourbucketname, and yours3 region with your AWS credentials and bucket details. Create a Django model to represent the uploaded files. Open your models.py file and define the model. This model includes a file field to store the uploaded file and a date-time field to record the upload timestamp. Create a Django form to handle file uploads. Create a new file named forms.py and add the following code. Create views and templates to handle file uploads and display uploaded files. You'll need to create the following. Here's an example of how you can define these views. Create HTML templates for the file upload form and file list. You can customize these templates according to your project's design. Configure the URLs for the file upload and file list views in your Django project's urls.py. Apply the database migrations to create the uploaded file model. Now, you can run your Django development server. Visit http://localhost8000/upload/ in your web browser to upload files, and http://localhost8000/files/ to view the list of uploaded files. That's it. You've successfully set up file uploads in a Django application using Amazon S3 for storage. You can further customize and enhance this functionality as needed for your project. ChatGPT.